Let's move on to another controversy that we are tracking. In fact, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has triggered a massive controversy and a debate on caste and campus politics. The Congress leader has said that there is a caste bias in Delhi University. The remark has not only ignited a political face-off, but has also prompted a sharp response that is coming from the university. Rahul Gandhi claimed that students in Delhi universities fail interviews because of their caste. Speaking on the issue, he claimed that marginalized communities continue to face the exclusion, pointing to what he described as the absence of OBCs and Dalit within the RSS. He also went on to say that such exclusion runs against the spirit of the Constitution and warned that the opportunities for the students from the backward community could be undermined if these trends continue. Listen in to what he said.
मैं गया था, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी गया था। इंटरव्यू बच्चों को निकालने का तरीका है। आपकी जात क्या है भैया, आप इंटरव्यू में फेल। सीधी सी बात है। आरएसएस के संगठन की लिस्ट निकालिए, जो उनके प्रचारक लोग हैं, जो उनका सीनियर आरएसएस का जो सेंटर है, उसमें आपको एक ओबीसी नहीं मिलेगा, एक दलित नहीं मिलेगा, एक आदिवासी नहीं मिलेगा, और यह संविधान के बिल्कुल खिलाफ है।
And on the other hand, Congress and Samajwadi Party leaders have come out in support of Rahul Gandhi following his remarks on the caste discrimination and reservation in Delhi University. Congress leaders have said that Rahul Gandhi has raised his voice for Dalit and marginalized communities over the last few years, arguing that they continue to be denied fair opportunities in the country. Echoing similar sentiments, Samajwadi Party leaders too have accused the RSS and the BJP of working against Dalit progress, claiming that their leadership has repeatedly question the reservation framework as far as OBCs and Dalit in the country are concerned. Listen into the reaction coming in from the Congress and the Samajwadi Party leaders.
Rahul Gandhi ji has always been vocal for the Dalits, for the backward classes. He has always believed that interest of Dalit and backward should be protected, and when that is not happening in our country, the examples, the statistics shows that Dalits and backward are not given that importance, or they are not given the opportunity, or they are being eliminated by the government systems. So that is what Rahul Gandhi ji pointed out, so that let it come to the public domain, and also let it open the eyes of the central government.
What Rahul ji is saying is in a broader perspective, broader spectrum, like in PhD or for the recruitment of teachers, and at the level of associate professor and professors, there is a reservation in professor posts also. And what Delhi University is repeating is completely out of context what Rahul ji has said. We are also very much concerned, and wherever the BJP government is there, it's a more rampant that they are rejected on the basis of.
देखिए, आरएसएस और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की जो विचारधारा है वो मूलतः दलित और पिछड़ों के विरोध पे बनी है। ये नहीं चाहते कि समाज के वंचित शोषित वर्ग, खासकर दलित पिछड़े, वो आगे आए। समाजवादी पार्टी और पूरा विपक्ष आज सामाजिक न्याय की लड़ाई लड़ रहा है, तब भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उनके नेताओं की ये विचारधारा है कि स्वयं आरएसएस के सरसंचालक मोहन भागवत जी कह चुके हैं कि आरक्षण की समीक्षा की आवश्यकता है। भाजपा के तमाम नेता जैसे ज्योति मिर्जा, अनंत हेगड़े, अरुण गोविल, ऐसे तमाम नेताओं ने कहा है कि जो संविधान है उसको बदलने की आवश्यकता है। निश्चित रूप से ये लोग संविधान को बदलना चाहते हैं, ये दलितों पिछड़ों के अधिकार नहीं चाहते।
For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Kritika, who's been tracking all the details. Kritika, leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi has triggered a debate on caste and campus politics. Has any reaction come in from Delhi University on this?
Well, yes, Akansha. In fact, late last night itself, the Delhi University did release a statement. They are taking strong objection towards the remarks that Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi has made. Now, as per the Delhi University, they've said that admissions for the undergraduate as well as postgraduate students happens via the CUET exams, which adheres to the norms of reservation. It is not interview-based. So what Rahul Gandhi is saying is factually incorrect. He's also, the Delhi University has also said that if Leader of Opposition was referring to recruitment such as that of those of the faculty positions, then in that case as well, DU clarifies that in the recent past, there have been thousands of such recruitments across categories. This is the statement that Delhi University released yesterday after the comments made by Rahul Gandhi. The university has also said that they're taking strong objection to the statements of, in fact, Rahul Gandhi, because it is creating a non-conducive environment in the university. They've also...
All right, so the remark by Rahul Gandhi has not only reignited a political face-off, but also prompted a sharp response that is now coming from Delhi University. With this, a very short break. More news and updates on the other side.